We are out at Ocean Station Papa, which is an oceanographic station located 1,500 kilometers from the BC coast. We're in the North Pacific Ocean on the J.P. Tully, and we are studying how climate change is impacting our oceans.
Station Papa has been stopped and started many times. The original was in the beginning in the 50s, and it was going straight out to Station Papa. And then it slowly evolved into the Line P. It's one of the few longest time series in the world. If you know what happened in the past, you can look towards the future.
Line P was founded by Seuss Tabata, who was a Japanese-Canadian genius designing programs critical to the charting of climate change that were 50 years ahead of their time. Seuss Tabata had a very, very curious mind. That was the genius about him. That's how he developed this program that has international importance to all of us.
I got into oceanographic sciences after always being interested in how the world works from a very young age. I am super concerned about how the changing climate impacts both my generation and generations to come. And I am thrilled that I can be a part of a program that has been studying climate change for decades and hopefully will continue to do so for decades to come.
We just brought our rosette back on board, and we're about to start sampling for water. Our rosette is our water sampling platform. We have devices on it that measure different water properties as the whole package is sent down to the seafloor and back up.
These data, having been collected for decades already, can tell us a lot about how this specific area is changing over time. And all of those things are super important to study when you want to know how it's interacting with the atmosphere or the coasts, and how those things can impact life within the water and life on the rest of the planet.
We are retrieving the bongo from Strait 50, hoping that there will be a lot of animals in there. Zooplankton community along Line P is broken up into a variety of communities. With these warming spells, we get, of course, a stronger push from the south of more southern animals, and they displace the northern or subarctic animals. And this has a detrimental effect up the food web. Understanding your zooplankton community structure helps you understand your higher levels, why they would be in the area or why they would not be in the area. It affects all sorts of patterns.
By studying the ocean's past, we're able to better predict its future. Because we have such a long history with Line P, we're able to model these complex interactions between the ocean and the atmosphere, so we can make better predictions about future climate trends.
We need these oceanographic data now more than ever to identify the impacts of climate change on our ocean. This is not only critical for the health of our marine ecosystems, but for the livelihoods of coastal communities as well.
The Line P program isn't just a scientific endeavor. It's truly a testament to our commitment to understanding and protecting our planet. Now, in the face of climate change and biodiversity loss, it's now more critical than ever to collect these data, analyze the trends, and inform our decision makers.